A bunch of people asked me about cannabinoids and psoriasis, so let's go over the data we have. I'm Lex Pelger. I do canna education for CV Sciences, the makers of Plus CBD, who makes excellent topical products. Ask me anything about cannabinoids and the skin. There's not a ton of research on this subject, so I went ahead and made a page. I collected all these studies that we have onto one spot. Hopefully this will be easier than trying to type the names in as they're in the background of this video. So you can just go here and click on any of these studies that I'm going to talk about. Let's start with the mechanisms of what might be happening here. In the review, Cannabis for Refractory Psoriasis, High Hopes for a Novel Treatment, and a literature review, High Hopes. I don't normally like when they make little weed jokes in the title of the paper, but that one's pretty good. Anyway, those researchers talked about the anti-proliferative effect on the human keratinocytes. Keratinocytes are the skin stem cells, and when your skin replaces itself every month, it's using those skin stem cells to do it. But sometimes the keratinocytes go awry and they shouldn't proliferate, and it seems like the cannabinoids help to lower the proliferation of those skin stem cells, which are not healthy. It also seems like cannabinoids are stimulating the vagal nerve, which releases acetylcholine and helps to modulate the immune system of the skin and to hopefully lower the reactions, because it seems like psoriasis is an autoimmune disorder, and so lowering the overreaction of the immune system would be a good thing. Cannabinoids are also just good at lowering inflammation in general, and in this case they might also be suppressing angiogenesis, which is the formation of new blood vessels. So what's happening in humans? According to a survey of patients with rheumatoid arthritis as well as arthritis from psoriasis, medical cannabis gave them significant relief from short and long-term pain as well as reduced stiffness. And for some patients, it gave them total pain relief. For topical CBD, in a study of 20 patients with psoriasis and atopic dermatitis, which is eczema, topical CBD improved their skin parameters on a number of conditions. In a study of patients using UVB light to treat the psoriasis, topical CBD helped that treatment to work better and caused the keratinocytes with the psoriasis-type profile to die while protecting the healthy keratinocytes. In studies of those human skin stem cells specifically, in keratinocytes from patients with psoriasis, the application of CBD restored levels of protective enzymes, lowered inflammation from UVB radiation, and protected the healthy skin stem cells. In the other study, CBD increased the levels of CB1 and CB2 receptors, and in healthy keratinocytes, it caused reduced oxidative stress. Finally, in a mouse study that came out just recently, in a mouse model of psoriasis and skin inflammation, activating the CB1 receptor significantly lessened scratching behavior and skin inflammation. So there's the basics of what's known about the cannabinoids and psoriasis.